रामदेव, थोड़ा सा बाजार पे भी आपकी प्रतिक्रिया लेना चाहूंगा। जब आप इस मंच पे आए हैं तो आपका नजरिया बाजार पे लेना बेहद जरूरी हो जाता है मेरे लिए। ये आखिर ये समस्या है क्यों? रामदेव, अगर आप देखें आज की तारीख में वॉल स्ट्रीट ठीक ठाक है, हर रोज आप सुबह उठ के देखिए सेशन ठीक ठाक रहता है। आई मीन स्लाइटली दे आर गोइंग अप विद ह्यूज कंसोलिडेशन। एशिया भी ठीक ठाक लगता है, यूरोप भी इतना खराब नहीं है। ये भारत के साथ आखिर दिक्कत क्या है? आप आई मीन फिस्कल डेफिसिट, इन्फ्लेशन, स्कैम्स, एफआईज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में किस में बहुत बड़ा परिवर्तन है? आप सोचते क्या हैं और कितना डाउनसाइड आप और देख रहे हैं बाजार में इस वक्त?
देखिए, एक तो we had a perfect Diwali. I think one of the most wonderful Diwali we had in recent times. And after that, all the headlines changed. So clearly, it has created a lot of uncertainty in the minds of people. And in the new year also, FIs are not allocated fresh money. So clearly, there is a little what you call discomfort for allocating more money into India. And at the same time, they know that inheritability of India or Indian story. So they're not scared and they're not running away from India. So there is not much of selling, yet there is not buying. Now, domestic mutual funds, domestic insurance companies, they are suffering from massive regulatory restrictions. So they have not been able to market for last 2-3 years. But their lack of marketing and lack of inflow was completely taken care of by FI inflow. But when FIs are not coming in, at that point of time, at lower prices, domestic institutions should come and kind of lend support to the people, to the market. But today, I think it is going to be very difficult for the domestic institutions to absorb, except for probably LIC, the sellings by FI. So that's the kind of situation where there is a lot of savings, lot of financial savings, and either it is going into fixed deposits or going into hard assets, but not coming to the stock market at all at any price. So that's the basic challenge, and hence market is getting derated.
तो राम, आपसे दो प्रश्न और पूछना चाहूंगा। एक तो जैसे कि एफआईज को हम सब चीज करते हैं, आई मीन रिटेल, चाहे वो डीआईएस, चीज उनको ही करते हैं, क्योंकि यूएस थोड़ा सा रिकवर कर रहा है और जो रोज आंकड़े आते हैं यूएस से वो अच्छे आ रहे हैं। क्या इस बात का डर है, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि अभी एफआई सेल नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो बाय नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये एक बहुत बड़ा तर्क है, लेकिन क्या ये वाइस वर्सा हो सकता है कि वो अब बाय भी ना करें और ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी सेल करें, या फिर पैसा यूएस मार्केट्स को चेस करे? ऐसी पॉसिबिलिटी है? ऐसे में क्या भारत थोड़ा सा दर्द झेल सकता है?
We had one of the most wonderful 2010 and we got $30 billion from there. So in global kind of investing, you can't say that India is out and kind of US is in and hence all the money will go here, and it's not that simple. I think there are global allocations, there are various types of FIIs, and every year there is a global savings being generated. It's not only from the old pool. So, and old pool also is under allocated into India. The issue is that we should look at our own story. How are we doing? How are we governing the country? How are we taking care of the inflation? What kind of cohesive, there are problems in the economy. I mean, it's not that only India is facing from inflation or India is facing corruption. I mean, these charges are there everywhere. I mean, everywhere you'll find there is one Madoff in the Western world, or there is one Enron. How do you, once these kind of things come up, how do you tackle those problems? The inability or complete confusion or lack of action at the at the government level. So those are the things which really hurt, and that doesn't give confidence that in future how exactly this country will be governed. So that kind of confusion is on right now.
एक आखिरी प्रश्न रामदेव आपसे यहाँ पर, आप इस वक्त सबसे ज्यादा चिंतित किस सेक्टर को लेकर हैं और सबसे ज्यादा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक किसको लेकर हैं इस वक्त?
अभी as far as optimism is concerned, I think I see all over possibility in terms of banking, automotive. I mean, जहाँ पर इंटरेस्ट के कारण से थोड़ा सा लोगों को डर बैठा हुआ है और उसके कारण से ज्यादा सेल ऑफ हुआ है. So any good consumer company, any good bank, well-run bank, or automotive company, I am very bullish on them on a long-term basis. Can they correct by another 10%? Clearly, yes. And I don't know how much more interest rate is going to go up and hence completely break the back of Mahindra or Bajaj or Hero Honda or that I'm not factored in, but I remain bullish on these sectors on the long run basis. I still remain bearish on something which has not worked, say whether it is aviation or any specific company where things have been pretty bad in terms of companies have not been able to make money. Even some of the infrastructure companies, I mean, they keep gobbling up capital but don't deliver any earnings. So there we remain a little reserved.